You guys, guess who has a new apartment? And it's actually one that I like. Yes, after 3+ apartments, we have finally found our dream Paris apartment. It only took a full year. I'm standing in her right now. I got the keys on Sunday. The approval process was super fast and easy because I used PAP, which is particulier, and it's owner-owned property, so it's not through an agency. But I met with the owner. He showed me. When I arrived, there was already another person who was there looking at the apartment. But yeah, I did, I pled my case and I told him about myself and I sent in my dossier and then I was approved. So I'm so excited. I get to decorate. It is furnished, but the bones are really good. And there's a cave, so if there's anything in here that I don't really like, I can put it down there. But I'm gonna show you kind of the empty apartment tour because I haven't moved in yet, but I will be moving in December-ish. I already brought a couple things, but this is kind of going to be the before video as well because I'm going to decorate, add my own flair, my Sophia kick to it. So yeah, welcome to the new Chez Sophia. I'm so excited to show you around. Et voila, here we are. Little mail thing. I've got a full-size freezer and a full-size fridge because the owners are chefs, so that's nice. They left me some dishes. This is all my crap that I've just left here. I have a mantle. I'm so excited. I just ordered a mirror, so I'm gonna put a big white kind of ornate mirror there. Brought my crystals for the vibes, nice new candle by Rado, some books and decorations. There's this big couch, and this is actually a canapé lit, so when I have guests come over, they can stay here. I'm gonna get rid of this blanket because I don't like it. The couch is a little dirty because this is not my couch, but I think I'm gonna get another throw or something white so it looks more clean, and then like maybe some accent pillows that aren't just these kind of gross white ones, to be honest. And then I might change that lamp. And then in here, I have a little storage. Oh, comes with this little key. I love Paris, like what the hell? Okay, some work is calling me. Yeah, a little storage with cups and stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here yet. It's like kind of a weird storage thing. Yes, table. These I think I'm gonna take to the cave because what am I gonna do with this? This stuff was all left here by the propriétaire. I'm gonna take it down to the cave. I might change this table. I'm having a birthday party in January for my birthday and my crémaillère, which is a housewarming party as well. So I feel like this table's a good size for all the food and the cake and everything that I'm gonna have, but maybe later on I'm gonna change it. And then I might move this there and that over there to show more of the beautiful mantle because right now it's kind of hidden by this massive couch. I don't know why they got a couch this big. I feel like it's too big for the space, but whatever, we're gonna work with it and maybe hopefully this fits here. These gorgeous windows, I have 3, so in the bedroom there. It's 29 mètres carrés, and I have 3 full-size windows. The ceilings are a little low, I don't know if you can tell, but I don't care. Because it's so bright in here, even though it's north-facing, like the low ceilings don't really bother me that much. But this is a bibliothèque, a library, so I already brought some books. They left this plant, which again, I don't know if I'm in love with, so I might take her down or give it away. This, putting in the cave, the bed, which has storage underneath, and then the rangement, which I can close with this curtain to hide it. Should I not want to have my clothes showing to anyone that comes. Oh, there's 3 curtains. Okay, so yeah. And then these lighting fixtures came with the apartment as well. I might change just because I'm not in love with how this looks in particular. So maybe I'll take these down. Yeah, like not lots of blank walls. I can add art or maybe get like, I don't know. There's just a lot that I feel like I can do here. My view is gorgeous of these beautiful Parisian buildings. It's a quiet street. I'm on a rue and not an avenue like my previous apartment. So yeah, I'm really happy. And here is the kitchen. There's a mini plaque, washing machine. There's no dishwasher, but here I'll be doing dishes. There's no oven, so this is like the oven. Some storage. And then the tiny little bathroom. But you know what? I'm a small girl, so it's all good. I mean, toilet, sink, this very tiny shower all in one. I have some extra storage in the bathroom, which is good because I have a ton of makeup and everything. This window opens. Okay, maybe. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. Oh, fuck. Oh, I was shoving on it the wrong way. Okay. This window opens, so that's good. And like, so I can have privacy in the bathroom. And I think that's really it. I'm obsessed with her. I mean, it's super Parisian. Like, my door is completely slanted, as you can tell. And this is like some extra storage. It's super Parisian and it's so charming and I am in love with it. So I can't wait to show you. I cut myself off. I said I can't wait to show you how it looks like after I've moved in and after I've decorated everything and I put my own little Sophia spin onto it. I'm so excited. And I'm feeling more inspired to create again and to live the life that I came to Paris to live. And I honestly, the apartment piece of it was such a big apartment, a big piece of it. So I'm so thrilled. And I'll be moving in at the beginning of this, at the end of this year. So starting 2026 off really fresh. And just to give you some numbers, I'm paying $1,300, so less than I pay in the 16e where I pay $1,425. $1,300 for rent. That includes the cav, furnished, everything. And then I'll have to pay like utilities on top of that. So electricity and internet and all that shit. So it's probably like an extra 100, 150 to 200 a month. It's winter time, so it's a little chilly in this apartment and it's electric chauffage, electric heating. So it'll probably be a bit expensive, but voila, c'est Paris. Anyways, I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, see you at the next one. Bisous. Bye.